Today, we'll be making Osmanthus Jelly. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, to a pot, add in 1 liter of water and we'll bring this to a boil. Once it begins to boil, add in your osmanthus. Give it a stir and then we'll turn off the heat and let the tea steep for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll soak our dried goji berries with hot water. After about 5 minutes, we can drain. We'll set this aside and we'll use this later. Now that our tea has steeped, we can sieve out the flowers. Set this aside and now we'll add back our tea into a pot and bring it to a boil. Once it begins to boil, add in our rock sugar. We'll want to dissolve this completely. Once the sugar has dissolved, set it aside to let it cool. Once cooled, we'll add in our gelatin and stir so that it completely dissolves. Optionally, you can add back some of the flowers into the tea. Add in the goji berries, and there we have our mixture. Pour in 1/3 of the mixture into our dish. Then we'll place this into the fridge so that it can set. This way the goji berries will be evenly distributed and won't float all to the top. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see that the jelly has started to form. Add in another 1/3 of the mixture. Then place into the fridge to firm up. Then we'll do the same for our last layer. Pour the remaining mixture in. Now we'll refrigerate the full jelly for 6 hours. Once it's had time to chill, you're ready to serve. Look at all those layers. Using a knife, cut out a slice and enjoy your osmanthus jelly.